Welcome everybody to another Voice of Nick show. We're back on the iPad here because we've published the text edition of the book. It's now available in stores, which I'm really excited about. It's available on the store of Amazon, on a store. But I'm really excited about that. The final illustration we have to do is just a layout for the audiobook version's cover. So we're going to use the Penthesilea picture, and we're currently working on making just like a rough, mock-up of what the cover will look like layout-wise, and then we can worry about bringing in the actual assets and stuff afterwards. I kind of like this idea where we lose the borders, we lose the dust clouds on the sides, and it's just the two figures and a big split color here. The only thing that I am a little concerned about is the fact that this black is the same as this black. Maybe we can do something about that. I don't really know how, because this is it's all in the same layer. But if we maybe let's just see what it would look like if we changed the black to, like, I don't know, some kind of gray. I don't think that really is going to work. All it would do is remove readability from the text. You know what we could do if we just get rid of this? First of all, what is this? I don't know what that is. What we could do is create some kind of like weathering effect. That's why my pen feels so strange. The document size is different now, which means the brush makes a mark at a different size. I think for that reason we should actually increase the size of this. Double it probably. So let's go to pixels. Make it like 3000. Because otherwise it's going to make the new brushstrokes we make are going to look different than the old ones, and it will hurt the picture overall. Oops, don't want to do that. Okay, good. For some reason this is not equal, don't know why. Okay, good thing we checked that. Now let's just get rid of this version and we'll put this in. And then, so now that's correct. So we had some kind of effect where it was like, or maybe this. So it's basically we're cheating in basically like a, drop shadow type thing. But again, it's like for readability's sake, we might have to compromise the kind of like I don't want to say the artistic validity of it, but like the historical accuracy of it, I guess I would say. So yeah, something like that, maybe even more. So yeah, it's like this versus this. If we lowered it a little bit. Honestly, I don't mind it. Here. What might be a larger issue for me. Okay, let's try this. So let's take this off. Let's actually just duplicate all these layers. We're gonna, we'll duplicate this. We gotta put this back in the other group. And let's try this. There's not that much information that really needs to go on the bottom anymore. So we don't really need it to be centered vertically